exercise sum 2. Sambat company issued 25,000 shares at rupees 10 per share payable rupees 3 on application, rupees 4 on allotment, rupees 3 on first and final call. The public subscribed for 24,000. The directors allotted all the 24,000 shares and received the money duly. Pass necessary journal entries. So, இதில் கவனிக்கணும். So, number of shares issued. Number of shares issued is 25,000. Then public subscribed. So, number of shares subscribed. Number of shares subscribed is 24,000. So, just note it down. Issued, the number of shares issued is 25,000. Number of shares subscribed is 24,000. So, the number of shares subscribed is less than number of shares issued. This is called under subscription. Under subscription. It may be asked in 1 mark question or 2 mark question. What is under subscription? 2 mark question. What is under subscription? Number of shares subscribed is less than number of shares issued. Issued is 25,000, but subscribed is only 24,000. So less. Number of shares subscribed is less than number of shares issued is called under subscription. There is 2 more question. In 1 more question they ask the number of shares subscribed is less than number of shares issued is called dash under subscription. So in the case of under subscription you should take number of shares subscribed only. Number of shares subscribed only. Only 24,000 should be taken for calculations. Not 25,000. Issued is not taken. Okay. Only subscribed shares are taken. So now they asked to pass the necessary journal entries. So for passing journal entries already I explained in first question. Once again I will explain here. So first one side take bank account. ஒரு சைடில் bank account எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இன்னொரு சைடில் வந்து equity share capital always. The bank account another side is equity share capital. It is common. Bank equity share capital. Then centerல இங்க என்னென்ன split up பண்ணிக்குவாங்க பாருங்க. One shareோட வேல்யூ வந்து 10 rupees. இந்த 10 rupees split up பண்றாங்க. 3 rupees on application, 4 rupees on allotment, 3 rupees on first and final call account. பாருங்க 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10 rupees. கரெக்டா 10 rupees வந்துரும். So application, allotment, first and final call. அது இங்க எழுதிரணும். Application, allotment, first and final call. But கூட என்ன சேர்த்தணும்? equity share சேர்த்தணும். So equity share application account, equity share allotment account, equity share first and final call account எழுதிரணும். Then entry போடும்போது இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். Bank account debit, bank account debtor to equity share application account, first entry. Bank account debtor to equity share application account, that is cash received on application. Application money received. Next, application money is transferred to share capital account, that is equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account, second entry. Bank account debit to equity share application account, first entry. Second one is equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Then இது வந்து application money received, application money is transferred to share capital. Next entry you should start from here. So equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, first entry. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, that is capital comes, it's called due, allotment money due. Then received, bank account debit to equity share allotment account, second entry. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account is always debit. This one is credit. Okay, this may be first time debit credit, second time credit. So this one, first one is what? Equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account, that is allotment money due. Then bank account debtor to equity share allotment account, that is allotment money received. Same way in this one also. Equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account, that is first entry, that is called first and final call money due. Then received, bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account, that is first and final call money received. So bank comes, that money received, application money received, allotment money received, first and final call money received. Capital comes due, not first one is transferred to capital account, second and third one is due, allotment money due, first and final call money due. In this way you should write. So already I wrote all the entries. First you should write heading. In the books of Sambat Company, journal entries, particulars, debit and credit. First entry is bank account debit to equity share application account. This way I wrote all the entries. Bank account debit to share application account, then equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. First one is application money received, second one is application money transferred to capital account. In this way I wrote all these entries. Then you should decide how much amount. It is given in the question. So 3 on application. So application is 3. Just put on this rough work. 3 on application. 4 on allotment. So for allotment 4. Then 3 on first and final call. 3 on first and final call. You should write like this. Then it is under subscription. You should take only how much shares are subscribed. That is 25,000 shares are subscribed. So write 25,000. So 24,000. Because it is under subscription, you should not take issued shares. Number of shares subscribed only you should take under subscription case. So 24,000 into 3. Similarly, here 24,000 into 4. Here 24,000 into 3. So multiply. First write these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 4s are 12. Remaining 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 72,000. Here write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 96,000. Then here same thing. First one is 24 into 3. Same thing is here 24 into 3. Here 72,000. So write 72,000. No need to multiply it again. So now amount also, all the entries are passed. Bank account debit to equity share application account 72,000. Bank account debit to equity share application account 72,000. Debit 72,000. Credit 72,000. So that is application money received. Bank comes received. Then it should be transferred to capital. So equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Second entry in this way. Same 72,000. So equity share application account debtor 72,000. Equity share capital account 72,000. That is application money is received. That is transferred to capital account. Then next one is allotment. First we should write this one. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. That is 96,000. Equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account 96,000. Debit 96,000. In right credit also 96,000. That is allotment money due. Capital comes, it is called due. Next received. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account same 96,000. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account 96,000. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேட்கணும் வாங்கணும். பப்ளிக் வந்து ஷேர் வாங்கிட்டு அப்ளிகேஷன் மணி மட்டும்தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அலாட்மெண்ட் பண்ண உடனே அவங்ககிட்ட இந்த மாதிரி அலாட்மெண்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு, நீங்கள் மணி கொடுங்கன்னு கேட்கணும், டியூ. அப்புறம் அவங்க பே பண்ணும்போது நம்ம ரிசீவ் பண்ணிட்டோம். பிகாஸ் தே செட் ஆல் தி ஷேர்ஸ் ஆர் ரிசீவ்ட், ஆல் தி மணிஸ் ஆர் ரிசீவ்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொஸ்டின்லேயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரி டியூ கேட்கணும். ஈக்விட்டி ஷேர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கால் அக்கௌண்ட் டெப்டார் டு ஈக்விட்டி ஷேர் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட். தட் இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 72,000. Equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. That is due. First and final call money due 72,000. 72,000. Credit also 72,000. Debit and credit. Then you should receive the amount. For receiving, bank account debtor to equity share first and final account. Bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account. Same 72,000. Bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account. Debit 72,000. Credit 72,000. When you practice again and again, you can finish this one within 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough to finish these sums.